Good morning student, myself Neeraj Pandey, and today we discuss about the properties of alcohol. Okay, you also know there are different type of property of alcohol are possible. First is monohydric alcohol, second is dihydric alcohol, third is trihydric alcohol, and fourth is polyhydric alcohol. Depending upon the different type of number of hydroxyl group, there are large number of alcohols are possible, but we discuss only monohydric alcohol in case of CBSE board, but except board level in NET there are different type of alcohol are formed and whose property are totally differ. Let's start about different type of properties of alcohol. Okay, listen. First, property of alcohol. Properties of alcohol. Okay, you also know there are two type of properties are possible. First is physical properties, and second is chemical properties. Chemical properties. Okay, in both the property, firstly we discuss about physical property. Physical properties. Physical properties of alcohols. Okay, physical property of alcohol are those which can be seen by our naked eyes, and these property are easily calculated and easily observed by human being. Okay, like first property, it is colorless, odorless liquid. Colorless, odorless liquid. And you also know about carbon 1 to carbon 3 members are generally present in the form of liquid. And you also can say that the lower, that is, it means that the lower members of alcohols are liquid, but its higher members in which carbon is more than 12. Number of carbon is more than 12. The higher members are waxy solid. Okay, lower member are liquid and higher members are waxy solid in nature. Okay. Second property of alcohol, so their solubility. Okay, solubility. The lower alcohols are soluble in water. Lower member are soluble in water due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Okay, but solubility decreases. Solubility decreases as the number of hydrocarbon chain increases. For example, CH3OH, C2H5OH, C3H7OH. Okay, methanol, ethanol and propanol. These are soluble in water, but C4H9, C5H11OH and OH, and more than number of 5 carbon atom, number of 6 carbon atom are present in case of alcohol, then they show less solubility. Then you can say that solubility of alcohol decreases as the number of hydrocarbon chain increases. But one thing is very necessary for you, as the number of side chain increases, the volume of alcohols are decreases as a result of this solubility increases as compared to long chain hydrocarbon increases. Okay, it is most important for you that this is the special property of alcohol, where long chain hydrocarbon also have greatest solubility, but except this, if this type of alcohol like isopropyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol, so their solubility in the water, these are fact that as the bulky group increases toward the alcoholic carbon, then easily OH bond or breaks toward the carbon atom, and after dissociation of this bond it can dissolve in water and also show lesser volume as compared to long chain hydrocarbon which are present in the alcohol. Okay, we also discuss different other type of property of alcohol by which you can easily understand what is the physical property of alcohol. Okay, other point like fourth, the alcohol always shows higher melting point and boiling point with lesser number of carbon and melting point or boiling point decreases as the number of hydrocarbon chain increases. Okay, you can also explain that as the molecular mass of alcohol increases, solubility also decreases. Okay, next one question arises from this topic. Write the melting point or boiling point of alcohol in decreasing order, and here we use CH3OH, C2H5OH, CH3 trias, CH3 trias COH, CH3 twice CHOH, etc. Answer is that CH3OH methyl alcohol have higher melting point, CH3 CH2OH means C2H5OH also show higher melting point, and CH3 CH3OH, this compound isopropyl alcohol. And then you can write CH3 and OH. Okay, the solubility of alcohol decreases from methyl alcohol to tertiary butyl alcohol because number of molecular weight of alcohol increases, number of hydrocarbon chain increases, and solubility decreases. If you want to arrange this compound in increasing order, then this order become reverse from here to here, there to here. Okay, next topic, which is also related with physical property of alcohol, that the alcohols are used in the laboratories of schools and colleges. It is also used in the hospitals and also used in the preparation of drugs, tonics, and syrup, etc. It is the main property of alcohol. Except this, there are other type of property of alcohol are also possible. You can see here the small amounts of methyl alcohol the small amount of methyl alcohol can makes a person blinds. Okay, while large amounts of methyl alcohol result death, a person. Okay, a person means drinker. Drinker. If drinker take a small amount of methyl alcohol in his daily life, then he become blind, but large amount of methyl alcohol can death the drinker. Okay, and the ethyl alcohol C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol is also used by drinker as a drugs. Okay, you also know alcohol can affect the nerve system, by which the person lost their all type of behavior. It's so different type of behavior which is not good for our society. Okay, but these are the special physical property of alcohol. After the knowledge of physical property of alcohol, there are different type of questions arises from this chapter, like first question, why alcohol? Question number first, why alcohols are soluble in water. Soluble in water. Answer is due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, it is soluble in water. Okay, it is soluble in water. Oxygen, hydrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, every oxygen contains alkyl group. When alkyl group contains OH, then it is known as alcohol. You can see here, when hydrogen is present in between two high electronegative atoms like oxygen, then it shows hydrogen bond. And if hydrogen bond appear more than one molecule, then it is known as hydrogen bonding. Okay, it is the hydrogen bonding because the hydrogen bond appears more than one molecule of alcohol. When alcohol dissolve in water, then it show this type of structure which is known as hydrogen bonding. Our next topic which is also related with the physical property, is that arrange the following compound. Question is arrange the following compound. Compounds in their increasing order. Increasing order, like CH, triple bond CH, acetylene, like CH3, OH, CH2, CH3, CH2, OH, and NH3. ठीक है, अरेंज द फॉलोइंग कंपाउंड इन देयर इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ एसिडिक strength. According to acidic strength, we can arrange this type of compound in their increasing order. Firstly, we write CH3, OH, increasing order, the less acidic property of ammonia. Ammonia is less acidic than CH3, CH, triple bond CH. It is higher basic or less acidic than CH3, CH2, OH, and CH3, OH. Okay, you can see here it is the more basic than methyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol or acetylene. Okay, you can also draw this structure according to this way, that it is the increasing order of acidity and decreasing order of basicity. It is the decreasing order of basicity. Okay, but according to question you can write the NH3 is less acidic than CH, triple bond CH. Acetylene is less acidic than CH3, CH2, OH, and CH3OH is more acidic. It is the perfect solution of the question, that acidity increasing as the number of hydrocarbon chain decreasing. Okay, it is the perfect answer. It is explained in acidity order, but it is explained according to basicity decreasing order. Okay, after discussing this type of property, we try to understand what is the chemical properties of alcohol. What is the chemical properties of alcohol? Listen. Chemical properties of alcohols. Chemical properties of alcohol. First, there are different type of alcohol are possible: primary, secondary, tertiary, etc. Monohydric, dihydric, trihydric. But all type of alcohols have a special structure in which the chemical property are explained according to the bond which are present in between oxygen and hydrogen or carbon and oxygen. Alcohol always have partial negative, partial positive and partial positive charge. The electronegativity of oxygen is greater than hydrogen, and also the electronegativity of oxygen is greater than carbon. Then both sides, from OH bond and from CO bond, it can accept the electron or gain the electron due to high electronegativity. And due to this special property of alcohol, it show different type of chemical property. Okay, first is the structure of alcohol, which indicate that alcohol have high electronegative element oxygen in between carbon and hydrogen. Except this one thing is also necessary to know that all type of alcohol which contains hydrogen, alcohol have lone pair of electron toward the oxygen atom. Due to presence of lone pair of electron, it show basic character, and due to presence of proton, it show acidic character. Okay, it show two type of property, acidic as well as basic both. Okay, firstly we discuss what is the properties of alcohol, either acidic or basic. Then you can see here alcohols shows acidic as well as basic properties acidic as well as basic properties both. But how it show acidic character and how it is responsible for basic character? You can see here, when alcohol contains only one long chain hydrocarbon, okay, then the breaking of bond takes place from OH side. Okay, if it is primary or 1 degree alcohol, okay, if alcohol is primary or 1 degree alcohol, then breaking of bond always takes place toward OH bond. In this situation, this bond break toward oxygen atom. Okay, and you also know, when any nucleophile come in contact toward the alcohol, then nucleophile attract the proton from alcohol. Due to high electronegativity of oxygen, this bond break toward oxygen atom and it donate the proton. According to Branstad-Lowry acid base concept, acid is a proton donor and base is a proton acceptor. You can see here R CH2O negative charge. It is the alkoxide ion. Alkoxide ion or conjugate base. And conjugate base are always formed due to loss of proton, and after loss of proton which taken by nucleophile, it show basic behavior, but here it is acidic in nature because it donate the proton. Similarly, RCH2OH, it have an lone pair of electron, two lone pair of electron. Suppose any electrophile come in contact in alcohol, okay, then due to lone pair of electron, it accept the proton toward itself and form protonated alcohol OH2 with positive charge. It is known as protonated alcohol. Okay, two things is clear from this structure, that when alcohol come in contact with nucleophile, then always show acidic behavior due to losing of proton, but when alcohol react with any electrophile like proton, then it show basic property. According to Branstad-Lowry acid base concept, acid is a proton donor and base is a proton acceptor. In both the reaction, sometime it lost their electron or donate their protons, and sometime it accept the proton, not electron. It accept proton as well as donate the proton. Here it accept the H plus or proton, here it lost the H plus or proton. Thus acid is a proton donor, base is a proton acceptor. Thus alcohol are amphoteric in nature. Alcohols are amphoteric in nature because it so acidic as well as basic property both. Okay, and after the knowledge of this type of properties, that alcohol are acidic or alcohol are basic, one thing is very necessary for acidic strength. As the number of carbon chain increases, acidic strength decreases. Thus 1 degree alcohol is more acidic than 2 degree alcohol, and 2 degree is more acidic than 3 degree alcohol, and without degree any alcohol like CH3OH or CH3OH is also more acidic. The acidic strength decreases. Acidic strength decreases. Okay, but one thing is very necessary for you, that when the number of hydrocarbon chain increases, like CH3, OH, CH3, CH2, OH, CH3, CCH3, H, OH, CH3, CH3, CH3 and OH. In this situation, basic strength increases. Basic strength increases. Okay, after this type of behavior, we try to understand the reactivity. Okay, what is the reactivity of alcohol? You can explain it as the number of alkyl group, as the number of alkyl or alkyl group increases, the reactivity also decreases. The reactivity also decreases, like CH3, CH2, OH. It is 1 degree alcohol. It is more reactive than 2 degree alcohol, like CH3, H and OH. The reactivity of these alcohol is also greater than CH3, and OH. Okay, the reactivity decreases as the number of hydrocarbon chain increases. It is 2 degree alcohol and it is 3 degree alcohol. In this situation, reactivity decreases. Okay, you can write it and also explain different type of behavior of alcohol. Our second property, which depends upon the CO bond, is that before the second property which is discussed in case of alcohol, I also discuss different type of other chemical property of alcohol, like when alcohol react with metal, like alkali metals, then it form salt, as well as hydrogen gas. For example, RCH2 OH when react with 2 molecule of sodium, then it form sodium alkoxide or CH2O Na plus H2. If we put the value of alkyl group like methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, etc., then it become CH3, CH2, OH plus 2 Na. In presence of heat, it can change CH3, CH2, ONa, 2 molecule, and also it transfer the hydrogen gas. We can also use different type of metal, not only Na, like CH3, CH2, OH plus 2K, potassium. Then it also form C2H5OK, 2 molecule, potassium ethoxide, and H2 gas is removed. Similarly, another topic, when alcohol react with hydrogen halide in presence of ZnCl2, in presence of ZnCl2, then it form haloalkane. For example, R CH2OH plus HCl in presence of ZnCl2 as a catalyst, then this OH and H become H2O and it become R CH2Cl. Okay. Similarly, if we use R CH2OH plus HBr, then after removal of H2O in presence of ZnCl2, it form R CH2Br. Okay. Similarly, you can use iodine and form different type of alcohol, where R is equal to maybe CH3 methyl, C2H5 ethyl, C3H7 propyl, C4H9 butyl, etc. If you put the value of alkyl group, then you can form different type of alcohol. Okay. Next reaction, which is related with the alcohol and also very important, is that what happens when alcohol react with acetyl chloride or acetyl halide. What happens when alcohol react with acetyl chloride. Okay, you can see here CH3 C double bond O Cl plus HO C2H5. This reaction proceed in presence of conc H2SO4 as a catalyst, and here formation of HCl in the form of side product, and also main product become ester like CH3 COOC2H5 ethyl acetate. It is ethyl acetate, okay, R form. If we take different type of alkyl group either this side or different type of alcohol toward this side, then we can form different type of ester like CH3 C double bond O Cl plus HO C3H7. Then another ester in presence of conc H2SO4 and CH3 C double bond O C3H7 propyl acetate. Okay, you can also see here when carboxylic acid. Next question, what happens when carboxylic acid react with alcohol. You can see here CH3 RCH2 COOH plus HOR. In this situation, after removal of water in presence of conc HCl or conc H2SO4, it form R CH2 C double bond O R. Okay, it is also an ester. If we write different type of alkyl group, can form different type of ester. Okay, next question, which is also most important for your examination, that write down the dehydration of alcohol and their mechanism. Dehydration of alcohol. Dehydration of alcohols. Okay, you can see here when 2 mole of ethyl alcohol like CH3 CH2 OH react with conc H2SO4, at different structure but same catalyst. Okay, react with conc means concentrated H2SO4, conc H2SO4, but temperature 140 and 180 degrees centigrade. What happened? You can see here, as well as 2 mole of ethyl alcohol react with conc H2SO4, then it change into ether like C2H5O, C2H5, diethyl ether, diethyl ether is formed and water is removed. But at 180, when 2 mole of ethyl alcohol react with conc H2SO4, then it form ethylene CH2, 2 molecule, and also remove 2 molecule of water. It is the most important question for your examination. And mechanism first. What happened when alcohol react with H2SO4, conc H2SO4 at 140 degree, and what happened when alcohol react with conc H2SO4 at 180 degree? It form ether as well as ethylene. But mechanism, it involves in following steps. Step first, formation of protonated alcohol. Okay, you can see here CH3, CH2, OH. Oxygen contains lone pair of electron, and the structure of H2SO4 is this. In this structure, when oxygen attract shared electron paired from hydrogen toward itself, then hydrogen become positive charge and oxygen attract the proton toward itself, by which formation of CH3, CH2, OH2 positive charge. Protonated alcohol takes place. HSO4 minus as a nucleophile also form. It is protonated alcohol. Okay. In second step second, protonated alcohol form carbocation intermediate. Protonated alcohol form carbocation intermediate. Not only carbocation, trigonal planar carbocation intermediate. In this situation, CH3, CH2, OH2, which is positive charge. In this protonated alcohol, the electronegativity of oxygen is greater than carbon, and easily it back toward itself to form CH3, CH2. ethyl carbocation, ethyl carbocation and removed H2O. In third step third, when ethyl carbocation react with one molecule of ethyl alcohol, then it form diethyl ether. How? You can see here CH2 CH3 OH plus CH2 CH3 positive charge. After donating the lone pair of electron by oxygen atom toward ethyl carbocation, it change into CH3 CH2O CH2 and CH3. Here oxygen become positive charge and attract the electron from hydrogen atom toward itself, and H plus HSO4 minus, which is present in the reaction, also attract the proton toward itself, by which it can form CH3 CH2O CH2 and CH3 plus H2SO4 is removed, and it is the product which is formed in this reaction. It is the mechanism of dehydration of alcohol when alcohol react with conc H2SO4 at 140 degree. Second mechanism, which is also very important for you, that what happen when ethyl alcohol react with conc H2SO4 means sulfuric acid at 180 degree, then some mechanism are same, like in first step formation of protonated alcohol as such. In second step, when protonated alcohol form carbocation intermediate, then the second step is also used in the formation of ethylene, but third step are changed in for second reaction. Third step are changed, and how it is possible you can see here. In third step, CH3 like this, CH3 and CH2, ethyl carbocation want to negative charge towards second carbon atom, and this carbon atom attract the electron from hydrogen. Here if we use HSO4 minus, which are comes in the reaction at the beginning of reaction, also attract the hydrogen toward itself. Due to this reason, it form CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2SO4. It is the mechanism of second reaction. Okay, in first reaction you can easily explain what is the mechanism, and second reaction only third step are changed and formation of ethylene takes place. Okay, I hope you betterly understand what is the mechanism of this reaction. Student, I also explain different type of most important reaction of alcohol as well as phenol. What happen when alcohol react with ammonia? You can see here what happen when alcohol react with ammonia, like R CH2OH when react with ammonia like NH2, then in presence of H2SO4 or HCl, it change into RCH2 NH2 alkyl amine by removal of water. Okay, you can use CH3 CH2 OH plus H NH2, and when it combine together, then it form CH3 CH2 NH2. Okay, I hope you understand what happen when alcohol react with ammonia. Similarly, when alcohol react with Grignard reagent, reaction with Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent means RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide. Okay, when ROH react with RMgX Grignard reagent in presence of dry ether, then this bond break toward alkyl group and this bond break toward OH group. This OH attract Mg and R attract R. Okay, and it become RR means alkane plus Mg OH X. If we try to understand about C2H5 OH react with CH3 Mg Br, then in presence of dry ether, this bond break toward CH3 group and this bond break toward oxygen atom due to high electronegativity of oxygen than carbon, and due to high electronegativity of carbon than magnesium. This bond break as such condition, and this CH3 attacks toward carbon center, positive charge of carbon, and O attract toward positive center of Mg. In this situation, it becomes CH3 CH2 and CH3 propane, and it change into Mg OH Br. Okay, Mg OH Br. It is the most important reaction of alcohol. Okay, and next day I explain about what is the most important reaction of phenol. Thank you class, and thank you student.